Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to make these stuffed pasta shells with marinara sauce. Simple, easy, yet delicious to eat. The ingredients you're going to need is a 24 to 26 ounce jar of your marinara sauce or your favorite spaghetti sauce. Either one will work. A 15 ounce container of your ricotta cheese or 2 cups. 6 ounces of your jumbo shelled pasta. 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now I like to use the blend. I like to use the Parmesan, the Romano, and the Asiago cheese. That's my favorite. 2 cups of your grated mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 eggs, and 1/4 of a cup of freshly chopped parsley. Let me show you how we're gonna get this together. Cook your pasta shells according to package directions. I like to season my pasta, so I add a little salt. We're gonna stir this every 2 minutes until they're cooked. Back over here, you're going to reserve 1 cup of your marinara sauce for the bottom of our pasta dish, 1 cup of our shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1/2 of a cup of our 3 cheese blender. If you want to just use Parmesan cheese, that's fine too. Our pasta shells have cooked, and I'm going to transfer them over here to a cooling rack because we want them to cool down before we start stuffing them. You just may want to transfer a couple at a time to make sure there's no water in them or they're not stuck together. In a medium mixing bowl, I'm going to add my 2 eggs. Give them a lovely little whisking. Add all that ricotta cheese into our eggs here. Add that 1 cup of mozzarella cheese that we saved. And we're adding that 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese along with our fresh chopped parsley. We're going to mix these 4 ingredients until they're very well blended and looking like this. I want my filling a little bit more firm, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to refrigerate it for the next 30 to 40 minutes, or you can put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to bake our pasta shells in a 13 by 9 inch dish. I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil and I'm going to just swish it around from corner to corner, and I've got a little parsley going on in here. On the top of our olive oil, we're going to add that 1 cup of marinara sauce. Make sure your oven is preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to show you how we're going to start stuffing those pasta shells. I've had my ricotta cheese mixture. You see, I put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes and see how much firmer that got. Now we're going to take one of our pasta shells. You're going to open it up. We're just going to put a spoonful of that ricotta mixture in there. Fold it up and lie it sealed side down into your marinara sauce there. And continue doing this to all your shells until you get them all filled. And it's looking like this. Now let me show you how I top this off. Add your remaining 2 cups of marinara sauce to the top of your pasta shells here, or like I said, if you want to use a spaghetti sauce, you may. The spatula just gently cover your pasta shells. You may want to take a little from here and put it there, a little bit here, a little bit there. You get the idea till you get them covered. Add that Parmesan cheese. And I've got a little marinara sauce in my Parmesan cheese there, so if you were wondering what that was. And then we're going to top it with that remaining fresh mozzarella cheese. And at this time, you want your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It smells so yummy. If you could be in my kitchen and smell how fabulous this is, I think you would agree. I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of that olive oil, about a tablespoon. Off to the oven on the middle rack for 30 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Stuffed pasta shells in marinara sauce completed baking. And look at it bubbling and oozing there on the sides. Wish you could be in my kitchen. It smells absolutely delicious. We're going to let it cool here for about 15 minutes before digging in. I'm just going to go in here and get a sample of that pasta. And oh yeah, looky there. I'll put it right here on a serving plate. Oh my words, if you could just smell how fantastic. Looks absolutely delicious and still very piping hot. This serves a lot. It's really super fast to put together and perfect for entertaining, perfect for those family dinner nights, perfect for a lunching, perfect for a brunch. Just for looks, you can add a little bit of parsley here to the top. You see how that just really takes it to another level of prettiness. And I'm going to cut in the center. I'm going to show you what the pasta looks like. And looky there. You see? Yum. All right. Let's bite in, get a little bit of that cheese going on top. And if you want to brown that cheese a little further, you can put your whole dish under the broiler there in the oven, and it'll brown up just absolutely perfectly golden. And there we go. Still pretty warm. That cheese, the marinara sauce, the parsley. The texture of that pasta is absolutely fantastic, you all. Gotta give it another bite. Wow. There you go. A sneak peek inside that shell again, and looky there. Oh, y'all. These are great stuffed pasta shells in marinara sauce. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, follow me here on YouTube or Instagram, and I'll catch you lovely people later.